different. Okay. Morning everybody, today is Vlogmas Day 8. You should be so proud of me because I have been on a roll. I've done way more than I've expected. It is currently 9:30 in the morning. We got home at like 11 last night, went over a friend's house for game night and to eat. I am so tired, if you can't tell. It's been raining, so it's kind of gloomy outside. I think we have a few things planned for today. We have a friend coming over to help us start packing because we haven't started packing. That was expected. She's about to come over and bring some containers. We should probably do that soon because Saturday's gonna be here before you know it. Well, next Saturday it's gonna be here. I think that's all we have planned for today, and I think we're gonna meet another friend of ours because Neil has to take her pictures while she's getting her makeup done. There's a ball going on tonight that we are not going to, but it's okay. Morning now. How are you feeling? Currently editing the pictures she took.
Parking garage to go into.
Okay. All your life.
Okay.
Every day until Christmas. Oh, are we vlogging this?
We're just packing, no big deal.
All right, I'm here for it. You have to have like a skill for Instagram. Nope.
I'm really cool. Like, fun? You hear them laughing? I bring liquor.
We can flatten it. I was starting to flatten it. And then she started putting stuff.
Flatten glass?
Ah, yeah.
Nigga.
So Trinae just left. Now has been looking like an egg. I pretty much want to look like one for the rest of the day. I don't think we have anything planned for the rest of the day other than going to take these pictures at like 2:30. I really want to go to the mall. Just go to the mall. It's probably really cold outside. I do want to take some pictures, but I don't feel like doing my makeup. He left us some bagels, so we're about to make some bagels. We got a lot accomplished. I'm really proud of us because we would have waited until Friday night to start packing, to be honest. Now I'll show you what we got. So all of this is our kitchen stuff and bathroom stuff. That's cleared out. This room here and then the room in there. After that, then we're pretty much done. So we're gonna try to get that done before Friday. Oh, she left the blood oranges. Did she mean to do that? I think we're about to take a power nap after we eat these bagels.
I be wearing braids and I get just daily. Don't be not backing up, don't want me with ya. I ain't trying to hear it, no. Not trying to hear it. If you do ya, you would understand ya.
Everybody, this is Kristen. Just yelling before this. There's me, and then right, and then there I go, looking like
Little boy.
basically. She just got her makeup done. So tell us what we're about to do, Kristen.
We're going to Dallas Millennial Camera. I'm not wearing this, don't worry. This is just my makeup outfit. Looks so cute.
Cute.
I gotta stop looking at you.
Right.
I can't fall. That's all from here.
Ooh, girl.
We down.
Oh. All right, y'all, so it's been a long day. Just got out the showers. I think I'm gonna call it a night. Probably start editing this vlog so I can get up tomorrow or Monday. I think the last clip I got was Kristen when we were in the hotel room. It kind of just ended abruptly, and as you can tell, I have my bonnet on for the night. Yeah, I'm about to go to sleep. Today ends Vlogmas Day 7. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I will see you guys tomorrow. I don't think we have anything planned tomorrow, but we'll see. I will see you guys next time. Bye.